Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified e-business consultant. So before we go any further, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel to receive any further notifications of my future videos. So folks, I can make a promise to you now that anything on this video is absolutely free of charge, no credit card details, no PayPal. No, it won't cost you a penny. Everything is free. And I also have a very special bonus for you all included in this package if you're into affiliate or internet marketing for beginners, or if you haven't made any money yet and you're struggling. This package that I put together will help you out immensely and get you started on the right track. Okay, so the product today is called the Big Book of Internet Marketing. All the immense information you need to know about internet and affiliate marketing and how to make it big online are now packed in this one super manual. It's a must-have for all newbies to internet entrepreneurs and affiliate marketers. Like I say, it's for beginners and anybody that's not made any money online yet or is really struggling. Okay, so that's the product today I'm offering, but including in that, to help you on your way, I'm also going to give you an extra special bonus. Okay, I'm going to give you 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a site of your choice. Okay, you can put any URL in there, whether it be a affiliate link or a blog page or a blog or a website, absolutely anything. It's yours to do what you want with. Okay, these 50,000 visitors won't get all at once. You'll get them over the course of 6 to 8 months. Okay, so they'll be drip fed daily. And also I'm going to include as a very special offer over 250 cutting ebooks. Okay, they'll be free for you to download. Okay, so to get all those packages, so the Big Book on Internet Marketing and Affiliate Marketing, and the 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to any website of your choice, and also those ebooks free to download at any time, just click on the link below this video. Okay, fill out the form and you will get access to everything I've spoke about today absolutely free of charge. No cost to you, and you don't have to register any bank details. Okay, I don't know how long I can keep this offer up for, guys, so I suggest you grab it while you can. Alright, so subscribe to my channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it and put a comment in the box if you like. But to claim all those offers I've just mentioned, click that link below. Okay guys, I'll see you soon with my next awesome offer, so stay safe and see you soon.